Hi, this is Damian Karlson from Platform 9. I'm here to show you the power of GPU pass-through on Private Cloud Director. I've opened the Private Cloud Director user interface, and I'm showing a bare metal server with an NVIDIA L4 GPU installed that has been authorized as a hypervisor host. I've SSH'd into the host and ran a command to show all NVIDIA PCI GPUs. The NVIDIA device shown is passed through to the virtual machine with the name ending in pass-through. The NVIDIA GPU is not being passed through to the other virtual machine. However, both virtual machines are configured with 16 vCPUs and 32 gigabytes of RAM. Now, I've logged into the pass-through VM, and after running the same command to show all NVIDIA PCI GPUs, we get the same output as we did on the hypervisor host. I'm now going to watch an NVIDIA command that will show us the usage of the GPU while rendering a benchmark image in Blender. The benchmark render itself takes about 15 seconds to complete. Now I've logged into the No Pass-Through VM and can see that there are no NVIDIA devices installed. Since I can't take advantage of a GPU, I'll have to use the virtual machine's CPUs. By contrast, this render job takes about 20 minutes, which I've sped up significantly. Now you have seen the power of GPU pass-through on Private Cloud Director. Thank you.